Tired of being chained to your desk when you need to access your crucial Basecamp project data? Well, buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Basecamp information directly to your Garmin device, transforming your on-the-go productivity. First, you'll need to log into your Basecamp account on your computer and navigate to the project you want to export. This is where all your tasks, schedules, and important notes live. Next, find the Export or Calendar feed option within your project. Look for the iCalendar format option. This is the key to Garmin compatibility. Now, open the Garmin Basecamp software on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the Garmin website. Connect your Garmin device to your computer using a USB cable. In Garmin Basecamp, go to the File menu, then select Import. Browse to the location where you saved the iCalendar file from Basecamp and select it. Click Open. Garmin Basecamp will now import the events and tasks from your Basecamp project as waypoints or calendar entries on the map. Finally, sync your Garmin device with Garmin Basecamp to transfer the data, and just like that, your Basecamp project information is now accessible right on your Garmin device. You can now view schedules, to-do lists, and other crucial information while you are on the go.